Okay, guys, it's day 3, and we are going to Cailler chocolate factory, and this is the old name, and the new name of this factory is Nestle. Many people know Nestle, and then we're going to that chocolate factory. See you in the chocolate factory. Okay, guys, so now we're here at the chocolate factory. It's this. And there's a little play area right there for kids.
And there's a fountain right here.
A water fountain. And our tour starts at 2:30, and we're so excited. Maybe we get some chocolates. So there are so many chocolates that we don't see in local stores. For example, this one. These chocolates are rare. And we're enjoying so much. And look at this soccer player chocolate, and unicorn chocolate, cow chocolate, and black cow chocolate. I think we're enjoying it a lot. And we're gonna see you inside the chocolate factory. Yeah. See you there. This is the oldest chocolate boxes of Cailler, and so you pick one box and then you fill it in with these chocolates, and very interesting. This is Lion Judah and Khalid Noor and Nut, and this is out of stock. I don't know that one, but it looks interesting, and it is so cool. Look at these beautiful hearts. Very nice. So guys, we got this listening thing to listen some histories about this factory, and it will be very exciting. And I choose English. Me too. Smells really good. 초콜릿이고 나와. It smells so good. So guys, this looks like white chocolate and it smells really good. And it melts in my hand. So guys, these are hazelnuts and these smell so good. Huh? And these smell like Kit Kat.
Kit
It's a
Kat?
very cool place.
From Japan, the konnichiwa. Genki desu ka? Hai. Koko ni Nikko. 30分。カントします。ここにカントします。カントします。4分。ごめんなさい。4分。4分。4分。見てください。1個。30分。開けます。ゼロ。フラット。開けます。30分。サンキュー。フリジレーター。
So guys, I ate some of the Swiss chocolate. It was very good. I think there was some walnuts and I didn't taste the red one, so I'm gonna taste the red one right now. It is small this time. Very good. 10 out of 10. Okay guys, right now we can taste chocolate. First time we taste white chocolate. Cupcake chocolate. Hey guys, so these chocolates are so weird. This mini design over here. Okay guys, so today's day was very fun. And first look at this masterpiece by making it was made by chocolate. And I'm so full. I ate too much chocolate, I think. And it was a very nice time. It was a very so we came here and I ate too much chocolate, I think. But yeah, it was really worth it. And guys, see you tomorrow at